Having sex with multiple partners after a breakup is not the answer to stop missing your ex. Do not seek healing in surface experiences after a breakup. Imagine you just had a breakup with someone you loved. You start to miss them. So in order to stop that, you start sleeping around with other people. That option may seem very attractive inside your head. If you miss them, just start sleeping with other people. It sounds simple and logical, but people who try to suppress their pain by just sleeping around end up just feeling more empty. Emotionally, they are completely destroying themselves. People think if I just start sleeping around with other people, I'm going to forget my ex. But instead, it will just amplify your feelings of loneliness, and the feelings of sadness will come back even stronger. And deep down, if you still want to be with that person, you're just sabotaging yourself, because now you have to deal with the guilt and the hurt you've created if they ever walked back into your life. It's not worth it. If you know deep down that you just want your ex back, then it's better to be honest with yourself than let your fear and your pride sabotage any future with them.